can you put a whole chicken in the air fryer, cook it, and then make from start to finish a great taco? I'm Daniele Dinunzio, your fry geek, and I'm gonna shoot you out. Alright guys, here we are with another amazing recipe. So we start with the whole bird. We just add a little bit of salt and pepper. Make sure the salt and pepper are around all our chicken. So we want to really season this chicken well. Now, I'm gonna take a little bit of oil. This is 1 tablespoon of oil with a little bit of chili flakes. And I like to brush it up the entire bird. This will give us, even more flavor. Be careful, just, take your time to brush it up everything. This is about 4.5-5 pound bird, and I think it's slightly bigger for the Instapot air fry lid. I will show to you later why. It fits at the beginning. Don't forget to add a little bit of the oil that is in the bowl. And now I'm start cooking at 375, air frying for about 50 minutes. This is the peak. After 50 minutes, this is what happened, and the skin starts to be crispy and nice. Smells really good. This is the peak after the 20 minutes of broiling. As you can see, the bird, because of the heat, spun too much, and it just destroyed literally the skin, but no problem. Let's keep doing it. I'll shredded mostly the white meat of the bird in a bowl with just the help of a couple of forks. I'm gonna add my favorite, smoked paprika and harissa. I love the smoking flavor of the paprika. It enhances a lot of taste of chicken, goes very well with the taco. So couple fork, keep mixing and make sure that in the whole chicken there's this flavor. As you can see, the basket is still dirty, but we want to use the juice of that the bird released during the cooking. I'll put in the air fryer back a few minutes more, just a couple minutes. As you can see here, the lid sometimes make me crazy, but it's a good tool. I love it. So I cook at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Halfway through, what I like to do is something like this. Now you can see here this is like a pig. I just like to a little bit mix more my meat with the juice. Let's have a taste. Wonderful. I'm adding 6 store-bought tacos. It's just a process for warming up my tacos in preparation of the the chicken taco that we're gonna make it. Just put the lid back. It will start back where it stopped. A couple minutes more at 400 degrees. This will help us, to have warm tortilla ready to go. That's what I like to do. I like to use a mix of cheeses. This is a blend made by smoked cheddar and aged cheddar. A little bit of cilantro, a little bit of avocado. Don't forget our harissa sauce. And this is my red onion that I marinated for a while in lime juice and water. And don't forget the lime. Okay, so we are ready now to put together our fantastic chicken taco made with the Instapot air fryer lid. Warm tortilla, give it a nice shake to this great looking chicken. And here what I do, I just start by adding on the tortilla my cheese one by one. And I like to lay down 3 tortillas in the basket and the other 3 in the tray, so I can cook 6 together and save a little bit of time. This is the amount of cheese that I like to use. For 6 tortilla, I have about here 35 grams per person, so 70 grams total. I'll put the US comparison down below the recipe so you can check it out. And what I do, I just final cook for a couple of minutes at 400 degrees, so I will get that melty cheese that you can see here. Tacos start to take shape. what I do is I lay down first my chicken. I like that my chicken goes in contact directly with cheese, make the chicken even more juicy and a little bit more smoked, and really enhance the flavor of the chicken. Then let's add our red onion. Those are marinated, so the taste is very sweet. There's not that strong onion flavor. Then I add a little bit of avocado, and then I will top it up with my cilantro, and obviously do not forget the lime juice. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to give a like and comment, please. Now, I'm plating this up for the wife test. Keep it watching because it's gonna be fun as always.
Alright guys, so
Alright guys, the wife test. We made tortilla from start to finish in the air fryer. So we start with cooking whole chicken, and then we made a great tortilla entirely with the air fryer, no other cooking tool allowed. What you think?
I don't know, I haven't tried it yet.
That's how they look like. What you think?
Nice.
Alright, let's dig in. Alright, obviously this is not traditional taco, but it is super good.
What kind of cheese did you put in here?
I put a blend of smoked cheddar and aged cheddar. It's really good. I usually try to mix one smoked and another one no smoked, just create like a deeper flavor. It's really good. It's a perfect, sort of like street tacos. Chicken is juicy and perfect blend for me combination. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit sour, a little bit sweet, and it has all the element for being like an amazing taco.
Yummy. I approve.
You approve? Wife approval? Good. Made my day. And guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, share some love with others. And I'm Danny Dinunzio, I'm your fried cake, and see you next time.
Can I have another one?
Hey.